everybody, Elizabeth with Country Peony, and today I'm here to show you how to make your own whimsical lavender wreath. So if you've been here a while, you know that I love making my own wreaths. I think they're a wonderful way to welcome your guest and to greet yourself when you come home. I've actually had my eye on some lavender wreaths for a while, but I wasn't willing to pay the price point for them, so I thought I would make them myself. And the great thing about this project is that you only need a couple of ingredients, and it's a wonderful transitional wreath, so in between seasons. If you want to see how to make your own very simple lavender wreath, then come along. Thank you so much for following along today, guys. I hope you feel inspired to make your own wreath. If you want to see more simple DIYs and tutorials, then please check out countrypeony.com or feel free to follow me on social media at The Country Peony. I'd love to have you there. Until next time, happy crafting.